Now moving to the second method, that is by using a drop file and a set method. First we are going to import our library, that is from editor tools we are going to import a drop file. The drop file is basically much more like a filter, you can call it like that way. There are many minor difference between the each other. After that we are going to initialize our list, and here we are going to use a drop file to split into the second list, that is by using a lambda function over here. That is, if the x, that is an element of our list, if it is not equal to the triple c, then we are storing those values into the list number 2. And since we have the list number 1 as it is, and after that we are going to set those different, that is we are going to make all of the elements into the distinct element by using a set method over here. And after that we are subtracting all those list 2 element minus the list 1 element, so that the list 2 element could be differentiated from the list 1, and we are storing the difference element into the list number 1, and we are removing the triple c over here from the list 1, and we are having them as an output. We don't have to remove the triple c into our method 1, since we have already considered that list 1 dot index into the plus 1 over here. So it's going to go through the index of our triple c, and it will add a plus 1, and after that it's going to split it by the list slicing. And that's how it is, by a split by some sort of a values.